ID Charles Finney Andrews URK21611058. In this video I'm going to explain about the file handling based application in Python. Here we have 6 questions. Let's see by one. So first is develop a program to read a text file and do the following: display the number of words, display the number of alphabet, display the number of digits, and display the number of spaces. So first we are going to open the file, that is we are initializing file variable and file is equal to open, and I have saved my file in D folder in the Finney, and that's my name in that Finney folder. So data is equal to file read, so we are reading the file to return that line. So the split we are using to split the strings in the list, so mainly to leave space, that is print number of words, length of words, and we are initializing alphabet, digits, spaces as 0. I'm using for loop here, that is ch in data is if ch is alpha plus 1 is equal to 1, or elif digit plus or equal to 1, elif space plus equal to 1. So we want to print that is alphabets, digits, and spaces, comma we are using the variables alphabet, comma digits, comma spaces. When I run the program we can understand easily. Yeah, so I have created a file in the D folder. In the D folder I have converted, that is my name is Finney, I am studying first year Karunya 2021 to 2025. So it is written as how many number of words, alphabets, and digits and spaces. So we go to the next program. Create a program that reads text file, example ABC, and do the following: read all the words that is given the number, and read all the vowels and write in another file, and read all the digits. And so we have created a file abc.txt in the D folder. So we should write the words, digits, and vowels separately and different folder. It should create by itself. So the program is we are going to open the file, that is I have created in the C folder. This Finney I have created ABC, so we have to open the other words, vowels, digits. So we are opening these files. So data is equal to file read and word split. We are going to give every program to read the file and split the file. So for loop we are using I in words, for file to write I, and we have to close the file to. And for J in data we give if J alpha, that is the vowels we should give here. So we are writing file 3, that is the digits, and file 4 we are writing J. So that is the words, I guess. And we are closing file 3 and file 4. When we run the program, we get here, we can see in the D folder, one sec, C folder. Now I have created ABC, so it created vowels, words, and in ABC we have my name is Charles Finney Andrews and URK and phone number. And in vowels it has separated the vowels, and in words it has separated the words, and in digits it has separated the digits. So we go to the next program, that is create a program to prepare a telephone directory using file operations given below. Write 10 contacts in a file, contacts, and search the name as input. So I have already created a file contacts over here. So when we go to the program, file open C, that is the folder name, and Finney contacts. In the Finney I have created the contacts. So we are using for loop here for I in range 10. So we have 10 digits, right? So I in range 10, we are initializing name is equal to input, enter the name, the user will enter the name and the phone number. We are writing the file and we are closing the file. And file 1 open, that is the file location, and name 1 input, enter the name want to search. We are entering the 10 names, and finally we want to search a name. So it will read that lines, return that for I in range if name 1 and I n is equal to I index print I. It will then we are closing the file 1. So when I run it, we can understand pretty quite easier. I'll enter my name Finney and number is 3 4 5 7 8 9 10. Yeah, and another name is Jabba 984323274 and Daniel 984323274 and Gifty, that's my sister, 8948907734. Then we are going to enter some name, John 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. I'm entering the numbers, names and numbers. So next is Ram 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Yeah. Then Sita 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Then Prince 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Then Kishore 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Then Steve 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. I want to search my number, so I enter Finny over here. So I get my number 86. This is the number I have entered above, so I get my number over here. So these function is runs for successfully. Next we are going to, and in here also the file also it will be written contacts. We have read all the contacts will be written in the file. So we created already contacts file, right? So the next program is create a Python program to perform the following: get 10 lines of data as input, write into the file as line by line, and get a line number as input, then read the file up to the line number given as the input and display the same. Okay, get a line number as input and read and display the exact data available in the line number. Get a line number as input, then read and display the first 5 characters in the line specified. Okay, create a program to copy a file from location. Oh, this is the fourth question we have done. Yeah, I have opened a file open, and I have saved a folder in C folder, and in the Finny folder I have saved as lines over here. And for loop we have used for I in range, that is 10 lines we are going to enter. Yes, input, enter a sentence. We are writing the file and closing the file, and we are opening new file 1, that is open that the same file, and we are using integer, so we should enter the number of lines. And for I in range, print file, and read line we are using to return that line what we have in the file. And file 1 we are closing the file 1 and opening file 2, and we are entering the number, that is which line we want to print. And for that first 5 characters for I in range num -1 file 2, read line is basically to return the line. And we are closing file 2, opening file 3, and enter the number for IL -1, print file 3, and read line 5 we are giving 5 because they are asked in the question read first 5 characters in the line specified. So we else file 3 read line. So we are maybe when we run the program and MSG legendary trick. It takes time only for this cricketer. Born in Ranchi. Keeper, batsman, keeper batsman played for India. He has many records for India. He plays for CSK. For playing India, yeah. I want to enter the number of lines. I have entered 10 lines here. Over here I want to enter, I will enter 6 lines, and it is printed the first 6 lines, and next is I want which particular line I want the 5th line. So he has many records, that is the line, 5th line, and the second line I want the first 5 characters, that is born space. Here it is space, so the first 5 characters it's been displayed. So the next question is create a Python to copy a file in the D location files to another location E. So I created in the same way in the D folder. I created 1 minute in the So basically we want to copy a file from one location to another location. Here I have created the already I have created ABC text in the first program. So that program I have kept here, file opening the file, and I am giving file read and opening. I am again file to open, that is I have created a folder in E folder. That is in the E folder I have created in the E folder I have created a Finny, and I have created Vmax here. So from here, from the C folder, we have ABC. We have to we have to shift this content to the Vmax, that is in that folder. So when I run this program, that is I have open the file, and file to open, I have I have given a right to write these content in here. So I'm open this is simple program, that is then again I'm closing file and file 2, and it will when it successfully print, it will show as copied successfully. So when I run this, it has shown as copied successfully. When we see here, this content will be shifted here. Yeah, my name is Charles Finney Andrews, URK21005, and my phone number. So this program is run successfully. The next question is I can write a Python function that accepts files and perform the following: calculate the number of uppercase and lowercase letters from the entire content of the file, search a word in file, get the word as input, okay, replace a word in the file by a new word, delete a word in the file and get word as input. Okay, this is the 6th program. I have created a file pro6 in the C folder. 1 minute. This is the program. I will open the file in the C folder, that is the pro6 I have created here. I have given these many names. 1 minute. I will enter all the names over here. Yeah, I have entered all the names when we execute this function. This is the function file open, and we are reading the file, and we are initializing upper lower as 0, and we are using for loop here for ch in data, that is upper plus equal to 1 and ellipse lower plus equal to 1. It's going to print that is the total number of uppercase is the upper, the total number of lowercase is the lower, and we are going to split the data to in the string to split, that is we should give a space, find input, enter the number of enter the word to find, that is what word we have to find we should give here. And if find in data and print when we give a word as input, if it is there, it will print it is included, or if it is not there, else it will print it is not included in the given file. Then we are opening the file again, and old new, that is we are initializing old new, that an input enter the word to be found, that what word we have entered, that we should enter here, and we should replace that word by another word. So when I enter Finny, and I have Finny over there, so when we want to change that word and give us some other name, it will replace, that is data replace old new. We have given data replace, this function will replace the data, and we write the data and close the file. Then another question is, we want to remove a line, that is delete a line. So we are giving remove equal to input enter to delete, and data replace remove. We are using same replace, but we are using remove here. So we write the file and close the file. When we run the program, we can understand. First I will show the file. We have Suresh Raina, MS Dhoni, and in the Jadeja. I will enter my name also, Finny, and I close the file and save the file. And when I run here, the total number of uppercase letters are given here, and the total number of lowercase. I will enter a name which is not here. I have not given John over there, so I give John here. It will print as John is not included in the file, and I want to I will find my name over there. So my name is replaced with some other name, that is MSD, or MSD, and I want to delete a name called Ravindra Jadeja. I'll check what's once again. It will be not showing right now. I think so. I have given Sachin over there. Okay, I'll write Sachin. Yeah, the process is finished. So when I go to the program and open this, yeah, the Sachin is deleted, and my name is Finny is replaced with MSD, and name is deleted, and the program is run successfully. Thank you, sir.